Uh,
No,
Topic is
I
that who deserve more punishment, who give bribe or who
oh
give bribe.
no, correct. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So I maybe start what is coming on my mind, top of mind. So definitely, the punishment should give who is going to take the bribe, not the one who is going to give, because the person who is who is giving, who is creating opportunity, uh, who is creating opportunity to give the bribe. So this is the sole responsible for that person. So definitely, that person should be responsible. First of all, the bribe, the anyhow it is bribe is against the law, or it is not at all good for our society. So the one who is taking, or for any works to be done, so when the person will taking bribe, then the person will be responsible, not the one. So Pradeep, I will continue afterwards if anything. So as of now, I will stick on this. Some
okay, okay.
some issues are getting, so I'm getting
Yes,
some
yes,
issues here.
yes, yes. Actually,
Yeah.
you are getting issued from the puja side because I think her mic was on and he was doing something, but now this is okay. So, yes, this is very important topic as Devi bhai you have mentioned who is taking bribe. Uh, that person should get more punishment. But actually, my thought is very much different from your. Actually, I'm in favor the member who get punishment who are just giving the bribe because you are creating and also you are promoting the idea of giving bribe. Because just I'm taking example. Suppose someone is giving something to me, I think 90% people can accept this. Yes, someone is giving, and if you are taking, so this is a process of bribe, you can say. But in my thinking, if I am not going to give anything, so no person is going to take anything. If someone is asking for bribe, means that is bad. But if we are giving the bribe, means we are promoting the bribe. And nowadays you can see everywhere this is happening. Suppose if any policeman just stop you and ask you for paper, what we do? Just no, we find out 100 rupee or 200 rupee, just give. Means we are promoting. Actually, he was asking about paper and we are giving the money. There are many cases you can see. Suppose if you are going to make your driving license and someone is asking, any officer is asking, you have any experience or do you have any certificate regarding that, then what you do? Just give 50 rupees. So yes, we are giving, that's why that person is taking. If you are not going to give, so that person is not going to ask because he or she is asking about genuine certificate, genuine document. But what happened? You are unable to give, that's why you are giving the bribe. So by considering some example, actually I am in favor yes, the person who is giving the bribe, uh, he or she should get more punishment compared to who is just taking. So this is basically my point regarding this. So Ashubai, you can express your view on this topic. What do you think? Hello, Ashubai.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yeah. So, first of all, I would say this is a very complicated topic. So we can't decide first who is more punishable. But if we have to decide which one is deserve more punishment, so I think both are equal. Like in this case, if I won't give you anything, then how you can take? If I Because everybody loves money. The main thing is if I give you, if you give 10 rupees, a single rupee to a child, he will expect, he or she will accept immediately. So everybody loves money, but now we are taking money illegally. So now the case is different. So it's also depend upon the person, because if you are in low position, then people take bribe very easily. But if you are in a higher position, then sometimes they think a lot. But if they take in a lot, in a large amount. So this also matters a lot. But I would say both the giver and taker deserve equal punishment.
Asu bhai, you have to tell one who is taking or who is giving, because this is,
So
very, yes.
yeah, so I would say if I will not give you anything, then how you can take? So who is giving? He is promoting uh, this bribery. So I think who is giving is more punishable.
Okay, okay. So, okay, so now Pooja and Sonakshi, if you want to speak on this topic, so please speak, because till now Devi Bhai in favor of who is taking bribe, she should get more punishment, and I am in favor, yeah, who is giving the bribe, she should get more punishment, and Asu Bhai also in with me. So, what is your view, Pooja and Sonakshi? Please, one by one.
Okay, sir. Actually, first of all, I just am favoring that you have said, if I'm giving bribe, so I think first of all it's all my fault, because and the second thing is, if I don't give bribe, so I mean, what I want, so it will never come. I can't get what I want. So there is two reason. If I give bribe, then I can get something, otherwise I will not get. So but if we talk about the person who has a lot of money, then he can give easily. But if we talk about who don't have much money, so even in that case, he will have to pay bribe. So I think in both of conditions, it's different case. I mean, like if you are not capable, then how can we give for those people who want to bribe? So I think but first of all, we need to understand that, I mean, if we give it, then we are promoting us. If someone asks us that uh, you should have to give bribe, then we will have to deny, because if we give, then I think it's first of all, it's all our mistake, it's all our fault by giving this. So I agree with your point, sir.
Okay, so thank you, Pooja. So, Salesh bhai, you are also here. So, what is your
Mm,
view? Means, who is more
mm,
punishable, who is giving the bribe, or who is taking the bribe? So, what?
mm,
Yes.
Mm. Yeah, actually, I think for both person it is wrong whether you are taking bribe or giving. But the more severe punishment would be to the only who is taking bribe. Why? Because just take an example, if I have a daughter and I am very poor, and anyhow I managed to get her. I managed to um, uh, give her admission in 12th, and she has passed 12, and now she want to become a doctor, and she has passed all the examinations. But it is scenario like interviewers or the selectors are demanding 1 lakh or 2 lakh bribe. Then only she will be doctor. Then I will be just like Mazboor to give them, and I will anyhow manage and will give them, and will see my daughter to become a doctor. So yes, it is you can say a punishment should be to me also, because I was giving. But more punishment to whom? They were demanding. They have challenged the system. In India there is a proper system ki 0% corruption should be there, but they are doing corruption in terms of demanding bribe. So they that kind of people are much more punishable. Yes.
Okay, Salesh bhai, I have a question for you. You are
Hmm.
saying yes, who is taking bribe, that person should
Hmm.
be more punishable. But why
Hmm.
anyone just asking for bribe? Why? Because
Eh,
there is difference. Because suppose I am driving my
hmm.
bike and some policeman just
Hmm.
stop me and say me, "Ki just show your paper." Okay, suppose
Hmm.
I have paper, so I can show the paper. Ki, yes, this is my paper. Nobody is going to
Hmm.
take bribe from me. But if I have no paper, then definitely I have to give
Hmm.
because you want to save
Hmm.
the situation. The means what I am
Hmm.
thinking, if you are giving a bribe, means there is something wrong with you, or there is some dirt in your document or anything. Because we are seeing some
Hmm.
situation because people are not wearing helmet, when they're driving the bike.
Hmm.
When any policeman just stop them, just they give 50 rupees, we are giving.
Hmm.
So I think the person who is giving the bribe, that person should be punishable. If you're talking about admission, suppose there is your sister and she is not getting
Hmm.
admission in any medical college. Why? Maybe her rank is so low. Maybe because if her score is very good, so she can get admission in anywhere. Means why we are giving admission fee 15 lakh, 16 lakh, 17 lakh, means we have some problem. Okay, suppose you are really talented, so you can crack the IIT and JEE examination, you can get admission in IIT. If we are giving bribe to any university, suppose private university, why we are giving? Because we are not getting marks, so we can take admission. That's why we are giving. So in my case, I think the person who is giving bribe, that is more punishable. If suppose someone comes to me and giving me 1 lakh rupees, sir, please take this. Definitely, I can take. If just put your moral values aside for some time, just keep your moral values aside. Then you can think. Nobody is going to refuse that money because everybody wants to earn more and more money, and there are many people. Some people are doing wrong work, some people are doing wrong thing, they are generating money, so nobody is going to refuse that if I am not including moral values. Okay, so I think if someone is giving bribe, that is culprit, and that person should get more punishment compared to who is taking. But in
No.
in India, you can see the person who is taking bribe, they are getting punishment, but who is giving a bribe, they are not getting any punishment, because we are promoting this. Because if I am giving 100 rupees to policeman, means I am promoting, and this is practice nowadays. If I have
No,
every
yaar,
paper
actually,
yes, yes.
Pradeep bhai,
actually,
uh,
I'm actually not supporting this thing because see, I have practical example and two or three example. I will take just only one, which is related to my Mama ji. You know, he cleared RS examination and interview just for selection. They demanded 8 lakh rupees as a bribe, but he did not give. And their interview was one of the best one. He has a lot of skills, but still the interviewers did not give them numbers because he did not give bribe. And one of Mamaji's friend has given 8 lakh rupees, so now he is an IAS officer, sorry, RAS officer. Similar in Rajasthan, it is equivalent to IAS. So yes, in this case, who means where is the mistake of my Mamaji? He did not give bribe, so he is not selected. But the one who gave bribe, I think it is the main in this punishment is go to the selectors, the interviewers, because they demanded. Why they demanded?
and
Yes, you are right. We can't deny this. Yes, Devi bhai.
and for police example, also, if a one policeman is deny the taking bribe, then almost all public will stop giving. So when the one policeman will denying getting the bribe, then definitely all the public will not give, right? So if the person who is
Exact,
going going to going to take, if he
yes, yes,
stops, then
exactly. Uh,
all the chain will break. That is
Yes,
one point.
definitely. They should generate a receipt of challan that yes, you have violated the some rules of yatayat. So you have fined 500 rupees, and it is the receipt. But no, they demand. They are happy with 100 rupees because they are taking 100 rupees.
No,
If
Sailesh bhai, sometime when you are traveling through the train and TT came to you, I have seen many people just say, "Ki please don't cut any challan, just take 500 rupees."
Hmm,
Means we are forcing them, ki please take 500 and just I want to travel through this train.
hmm,
But TT saying again and again, ki, please you have to pay no 1000, 2000. This is rate of challan, something like that. But we people are forcing them, please take 200 rupees, please take 300 rupees, and after 5 minutes they are ready to take it. So this is happening. Also we are promoting. You can't deny this. Ki we are not promoting
uh,
because to only travel in train we are.
it is actually only because they are not honest to their job. And I, in our Bikaner city also, I have seen from my eyes that some people were caught without helmet and they offered 200 rupees. But the police inspector did not take the money and he just generated the receipt of challan. And yes, it was also of I think very less amount, but he generated the receipt because he did not means compare this kind of things with his values. So I think he was thinking that he would be punishable more if he will take the bribe.
Yes, Salesh bhai, I have already mentioned that ki we can't deny this because
Mm,
we are seeing, and I have also mentioned ki just put moral values for sometimes, no,
mm,
aside sometimes, then we can find ki yes, this is happening,
mm,
and there are only few people who are very loyal to their work. If you are
mm,
taking example of policemen, if you are taking example of ticket collector, so only few people are very much honest because I think there is many reason also if government pay salary uh, in such amount so they can survive their life
Uh,
happily. So I think 50% of people is not going to take any bribe, but you can see
yes.
salary of policemen they are
Pradeep,
getting
yes, you
so
are
less.
exactly 100% right. They are very less money. Sorry, there are very less people who are honest to their work. But in this debate, we cannot praise just by means बढ़ावा देने के लिए to the people who just taking bribe or giving bribe. We cannot say that the giving one is more punishable. That means whoever is taking, he will just like. We are on a news channel, if we are saying that no, someone who is giving bribe he is more punishable, then the one who is taking bribe, he will see that he will think that no yaar, wow, it is very good that I am not punishable. So next time I will demand a lot of much more bribes, and with this I will earn much more money. Some people will be capable to fulfill the bribes demand, some will not. And if it is like serious problem, then where will go this kind of people?
Okay, so Asu bhai, Pooja, if you want to say something so you can speak.
Yeah, so I listen to uh, all people, and I think nobody has a clear cut idea about it because it's a very complicated topic. Every people have different ideas, different thoughts on this topic. So, but we all know there is a rule, and bribe is illegal. But after all this, people do, and we don't know how we can overcome it. And nowadays, the cashless system is, I think, helps to overcome this big problem to bribe, because now we are in the government ration shop. Now there is cashless system, and many things are changed, like in uh, what to say, where we pay our electricity bill. There were before there were some paperwork, but now they are depositing money by electric mean, by online. So now some things are changed, and by online system, bribe is reduced to some extent, but on large scale it's going on.
Yes,
So
Asubhai, you
this
are
is
saying right.
all about from my side.
Okay, Asubhai, you are saying right because bribe is a very serious disease, and this is not going to be end 1 year and 2 years. It will take some time because firstly, government have to make a plan, and that plan should be implemented on block basis. So we can think yes, because government always talk about they are going to stabilize some lokpal in every police station, and the main duty of lokpal is to find who is taking bribe or who is giving bribe. But we see uh, basically this is not applicable till now, and everywhere we are getting some news yes people are taking bribe, and especially I am
Yeah,
living in
yeah,
Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, next day, every next day, I read a news regarding the bribe. Someone is caught by taking 1 lakh bribe. Someone is caught by giving the bribe. So this is happening,
and
and
so one
if you are
one more thing, the
yes,
main IAS, because we think IAS is the most and higher illiterate person, and even IAS officers are also caught taking bribe.
Asubhai,
So
you can take example of MP. Actually, I have seen maximum IS of MP who is taking bribe, means who just caught in red-handed by CBI, by IT department. Because I have, read 3 to 4 story, and every story just belong to Madhya Pradesh. So I did not get any idea ki why in MP, because there are many IS who is just posted in UP and South, but and you
yeah,
are
yeah,
saying right. They are taking bribe in a very high amount, means very high amount, in crore, in
yeah, they take in huge amount to sign on a contract.
yes. And now team caught only who are taking 1 lakh or 2 lakh, but who are getting 1 crore and 2 crore, they are not going to caught them because they know because they are very uh, high and powerful person. So this
Yeah,
is
yeah,
happening, and I don't think everybody is loyal to their work. So this is matter of money itself, and people are just trying
yeah.
to
It's a matter. Mainly, it's a matter of money. When it comes to money, people sacrifice their values, uh, their all the things, because they love money, because they think money is everything, and
Uh,
to some extent it is.
Pradeep bhai, I have a question for you. Have
yes,
you
yes,
not given any bribe to any service that you got?
I have given many times.
Okay.
I am not
Yeah.
denying this. I am saying actually we are talking, so I am saying yes, we are making mistake because always
Yeah.
we promote. You know, I have given 5 to 6 times. I am not denying this.
That's what.
Even to
Yeah. An
TV.
example. Yeah. One
Yes, yes,
scenario I will tell. Yeah. One scenario I will tell. You will go one government officials for you need one document. For example, for that he is taking bribe. If you give bribe, I will give this document within 2 working days or 3 working days. Otherwise, you have to wait for 20 working days.
yes,
So you want urgent document. So
yes,
what you how you act in this scenario?
yes, yes. You are saying right,
No.
Devi Bhai. I am not denying this.
Uh,
Yes, it's happened.
okay.
Only to saving our time, we just give bribe. If my time will be saved and my work will be done within time period.
That's what.
Because yes,
Then he is responsible, right? He is offering to you.
actually he is responsible. That is other thing. But he is
Yes.
not doing his duty. That is main thing. If he is loyal to his work, if the environment where he is or she is working, if that environment is good, so nobody is going to ask because there is a connection of chain, and this is a start from the person who are just sitting at higher position. If the person who is sitting at higher position, if he or she is loyal, so nobody is going to take bribe because they know to each other. Yes, because you have seen in many cases the people who are working on a lower level, they always used to say कि I have to distribute this money among various people, so I am asking for this money. If you are giving me 1,000 rupees, then I will keep 200 and 800 rupees will be distributed among the other people. So means everybody is just connected to each other. So I
Yeah.
think yes, Devi bhai.
Yeah, and one more thing, I'm curious to know from you that how you want to stop. Like as you told, that sole responsible is the one who is going to give, right? So how can we stop?
Yes, Devi bhai, you are saying right. Actually,
Yeah,
uh, this is not possible from our end. We can stop,
yeah,
but if government wants, so
okay,
government can stop, because you have to make some rules and regulation. And every time I think you have heard about Anna Hazare. Oh,
yeah.
he
Corruption
started
against.
yes, he started a very good campaign against corruption, for going to
Yeah,
make India corruption free. But what
yeah,
happened? Nothing, because there was a plan ki yes, we will make a Jan Lokpal bill, something like that, and we will implement this bill all over India, so we can stop, because there was a vision. But due to politics, as you know, we can see our condition. There is no discussion about the Lokpal, something like that. But also in Delhi, in south state, you can say they have already mentioned ki if you find any cases as like this, just send video, audio. We are going to take action. And this is happening in Delhi also, because in newspaper I have read many cases where people just making video of that incident, or they are sending to CM and some offices, and government is taking action against them. So, but we have to implement this type situation in everywhere. Then we can think about this. Yes, we can stop it. Otherwise, I think there is no any solution how you can stop this, because this is no very much bigger issue. This is not a small issue. This is from lower level to higher level. So this is not possible to break the chain, but at least government uh, will try so they can do this. What I am thinking.
and the bribe is not a disease in affected in government sectors. It is also in private sector also, by level, for
Yes.
making favor to one company. Yeah,
Yes, Devi Bhai, but in that case, amount is much higher.
correct.
2,000 crore,
One
3,000
example,
crore.
IPL. Yeah, Chennai team and one more
Yes,
team
yes,
is banned.
yes,
Yeah, for 2 years.
yes. So see, we are talking about 1 lakh, 2 lakh,
Correct.
or 100 rupee, 200. We think this is bribe, but what about them? Suppose Mukesh Ambani is giving 50,000 crore rupee to Chinese company to get
Yeah,
contract. If they're paying so much money to government, so they can take contract of 5G. Actually, we are talking about a small thing, but corruption is also at a very high level, and we can't do anything because they are boss.
yeah,
you know so, and I don't think this is. And also you can take example of political party, they asking money from the businessmen and some organization ki please give money, we are going to favor if we will win the election. So that's why this is basically reason, that's why corruption is not going to stop in India, because all political party dependent upon that businessman, all the businessmen dependent upon that political party and government, everything just connected to each other. And I don't think this is easy to break the chain, but still we are living and we are discussing. But
yeah.
yes, so after very long time, Neha is with us. So Neha, if you want to speak on this topic, so just you can summarize this topic, because we are discussing from 30 minutes. So if you want to speak, then
Okay, I just I was not prepared for it, but still, I just want to say, yeah, there is some corruption, not some, yeah, there is corruption in our system, and both of the parties, yeah, the one who is giving the bribe and the one who is accepting the bribe, both are the criminals in my eyes, and because the one, if we stop giving bribes and we just take a stand for ourselves, right, there is no one who is just ask us for bribe. But to save the time, or to save each and everything, like there are many things. If you are not giving bribe, and your work is not going to be done, like if you have you have to like you have to go every now and then to that person. Yeah, so you think like, you if I want to save my time, just give it some money and let it be done. So this is the mentality of our people. But yeah, it's a crime, and we should not, you know like, now the thing is, our mentality has become like, okay, give it, and let's close this chapter. So not even here. And moreover, I have seen like, whenever we just ask for some government jobs and all, so corruption is also there. Like some of the people that they think, yes, I can give this much amount to that, now my life, after that my life is going to be smooth, so I am getting the government job and all, and each and every area the bribe is there. So yeah, this is the thing from myself.
Okay, so Devi Bhai, if you want to conclude, so you can conclude. Otherwise, just we want to do some general discussion with Mrs. Neha. Mrs. Just tell me, what is your experience with White Junior? I think you are taking classes in White Junior. That's why I'm asking,
Why
because I have seen many status by mentioning some student. Yes,
Actually,
students
sir,
are
this
saying you are
is
very
this we
good,
are on
very good
social
teacher.
media, and it's going to be recording, and it should be going live and uploading. So I don't want to make any comments for the White Hat Juniors, but yeah, it's my experience is very nice with the company, and it has potential for the curriculum that they are giving. I can say a single sentence for that. Yeah, it's a they have brought up with a revolutionary curriculum, and it is going to be beyond the things, like yeah,
Yes,
that's it.
actually, I have seen many DP. That's why I'm asking this question, because nowadays White Junior
Yeah,
is
that
much
yeah,
more popular among the kids
yeah, it's
and
very
teachers.
popular because the rating we have, and the curriculum that has potential, and so it's just mesmerized. So in my career, I have not seen such kind of technique of teaching things. And because I was very much upset with our education system, and as we have discussed a lot of times that we are not so happy with our system, the way, the technique that we use. Moreover, but the curriculum, the way of teaching, the practical approach towards the thing instead of the theoretical. So everything is amazing. So I'm just happy with that.
Mrs. Nair, they are only teaching coding, or they are covering every subjects. Means that is basically coding.
Right now, no, right now just coding, and yeah, only coding.
Okay, okay. Actually, you were talking about curriculum. That's why I'm asking, because curriculum include everything. We are
Yeah, curriculum.
nowadays.
No. Curriculum like the curriculum of coding. No,
Yes.
the syllabus that we are focusing on, that we are using in the classes. So it's just amazing.
Okay,
You
that's
can I can say the things, the way in which the kids from age 16 6 to 14, they are learning the things. It was amazing. I hope the degree colleges, and they approach the same technique that they are using.
yes, yes. Maybe in new
So
education
it should
policy,
not be the scenario for the people. Yeah, yeah.
maybe in new education policy they're going to adopt same concept, because now you are talking
Same.
about coding. Yes, that's why. Okay, so congrats for that. I think that is really good thing you are doing now. So actually we have
Neha, you are as a tutor or what? How is it?
Teacher,
So you're enrolled as a tutor?
teacher, teacher.
Okay. Yeah.
Means Devi Bhai, she is making so much money, and now she is going to also distribute plus to group also, at least some donation we need. That's why. Actually,
No,
also we
good
are
work.
accepting.
Always, yeah, always yes for the good work.
Yes. And also we are accepting some party. So let's.
Sure. Now there is a virtual party is very much friendly and we do not have to spend a lot. That's a
Okay.
good thing.
Okay. So thank you again for joining this meeting, because we are missing you from since 15 to 20 days. But at
Yeah,
least you are in Delhi.
the schedule is very much tight. I just want that I join it, but when I saw my schedule, it's already 10. Oh, I
Yes,
just
yes. That's why I'm never remember. Make you remember. Yes, you are missing, because I have seen many things. Yes, you are doing. White junior. That is really good thing. You are doing some. Just I know when you will be free. Definitely we will join. But that's okay. And keep teaching to student. And also make them very good software developer. And maybe in future they are going to develop many things for India. So Devi bhai, please conclude this topic. Devi bhai.
Yeah, how many minutes are left now?
it's 1
Nine,
minute and 30.
90 second.
90 seconds. Okay, the taking bribe or giving bribe is definitely it's not a good, and it is against the law. So um, I think as I started, like the one who is going to take the bribe is the one responsible one. But as and when the chain goes on, right, the for anything, the work can be done for that. Anyone favors, it may be in money. The bribe can be give in terms of money or in other things, maybe in commodity or other thing that is also called as a bribe. So bribe should not be give or should not be take. Then only the healthy society will create an corruption free society, so that the normal people get free educations, and the surrounding will be good, and the government officials also will work accordingly, and our road construction and everything will be in quality when they create or maintain the transparency in the system. That is very important. So definitely I also hope that I will take a pledge on today, on after this meeting, that I won't give bribe as much as possible. If I will try to avoid for giving bribe, and as Pradeep bhai told, in police also I will maintain all the documents strictly, as I don't have any